Hi guys, my name is Akshay Kumar and I'm going to introduce you to the new TP-Link 300 mbps high gain wireless and USB adapter. First of all, I'm going to tell you that it is all Wi-Fi. Okay, I'm going to introduce you to all this. Okay, first of all, let's see its side panels and everything on the back side and on the side and on the top. Especially it's nothing written over it, and on the back we have nothing. Okay, so I'm going to read all its features. um, it had 300 mbps wireless data rates, ideal for online gaming, internet call, or even HD video streaming. Dual external antennas deliver performance enhancement compared with internal antennas. Easily set up powerful and robust security at a push of QSS button. WPA or WPA2 encryptions provide you network with active defense against security threats. Equipped with 1.5-meter USB extension cable conveniently for hardware connection. Bundle utility enables very easy management. Fully compatible with all IEEE 802.11b/g/n products. Supports infrastructure and ad hoc mode. Okay, now I'm going to show you the easy installation guide. I'm going to read you all of it. Connect the USB adapter with your laptop or desktop by USB cable. Then insert the CD into the CD driver. Then install the driver. Finished, and enjoy the high-speed wireless internet. Okay, now I'm going to use the unboxing. So yeah, it's a good cover. Now let's take out the thing. Okay, there's nothing in the box over here, and this is it. It's a very good case. Okay, now we are going to open it. This is it, the new 300 mbps wireless and USB adapter. This here we have the installation resource. It's a driver CD. Okay, it's quite small. Yeah, it is compatible with PC and laptop. Okay, now we are going to put it here. Okay, now next is the quick installation guide of the TP-Link 300 mbps high gain wireless and USB adapter. Next we have the amazing thing, the TP-Link itself. Look at this tiny thing. It is just this much, and it is less of weight. And you know something, it has big antennas like this. Yeah, big antennas, and it can be all like this and everything else. Here's the USB cable. Okay, I'm going to close it and put it aside, and let's see what we have got inside. I don't think there's nothing else. And here is the USB extension cable. Yeah, USB, and this end is the mini USB, and we can just connect it over here like this, and connect the other end to your USB and install the driver CD, and just easy installation, and it will take up to 2 to 3 minutes, and you can get ultimate internet free of charge. You have to do nothing else. So I think you have enjoyed this video a lot, and now I'm going to enjoy this internet. Yeah, so this is it. This is the unboxing of the TP-Link 300 mbps USB and adapter. So thank you for watching this video,
And subscribe.
and subscribe please. Bye.